Hi, I am Zodo, and in this video I want to make my own Flappy Bird. That was the gameplay, but is there an ending for that? So first let's see this video about the guy who goes for 999 scores. That's all we know about ending. My question is the game still running after Mario, or can we even beat Mario? I asked that from a professional, ChatGPT. Apparently this game is designed to be endless, and that is disappointing. For the next step, you will see my handmade Flappy Bird. Before I start coding, I need character, obstacles, and background images. I picked two main colors, purple and green. It's a great combination. Next, I use my imagination and create my pixel images. For coding, I just need a VS Code and a browser. This is the result.